back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today is a very good day, okay? Because we have a beautiful wig and we have a beautiful install. If you guys are interested in seeing this wig and hearing all my thoughts about it, continue watching. Today I have installed a 28-inch 13x4 loose deep curly wig. This is 250% density. Wow, it is absolutely gorgeous.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you.
I'm gonna go in with this Ebin holding gel, and I'm also gonna be using the Ebin spray. So I'm gonna put a thin layer of the gel first and then put the spray.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together?
The gel did work, it's holding the wig, but I'm looking at some spots where it's lifting a little bit. Before I go in with my Ebin spray, I'm just gonna detail that hairline. Anywhere it's lifting, just put a bit there. I can even put it on top of the lace, it's not a problem. It's going to melt in anyway. I would say the wig is HD, but it's just looking a little light, and I don't personally like showing that light lace. I'm going to tint it a bit. I'm going to use these two shades, light warm and medium brown, because medium brown's too dark and light warm's too light. If you don't like rub off the excess, it will lift that lace that you just secured if you're not using glue, right? So I'm using obviously the lace spray, so you want to be very, very careful. And then I like to go in with the blow dryer. You can see the difference. It looks very much HD now, so we're here for it. I don't know exactly what I want to do. I think I want to go with the middle part though. Okay, so that's pretty much what I want to do with the baby hairs. I'm gonna repeat that side and then we're gonna come back. When it comes to laying those down, if you put the holding gel right away, it's going to stiffen up and dry, and then you won't be able to mold it. So basically do your design first, and then when you know where you want to put the baby hairs, if you like the spot that it's in, then go in and secure her down. So I like that. I'm going to secure her now. I'm gonna go in with this color pen. Just really clean up that part. Now we're going to define the curls. I am gonna spray her down with water, but first I'm gonna brush it because I did pluck a lot of hair out of the hairline. I'm gonna brush her out. Now, I want to talk about the things that I did to get this wig to look like this and some of the things that I recommend doing at home. When I got the wig out of the pack, it was beautiful. It was giving true length. It was giving styled length, you guys. And I was excited about it. I saw how long it was and I just saw the curls. They were just so beautiful. I knew that this wig needed to be installed with the utmost care, okay? I decided to bleach the knots on this unit, let it air dry, lightly plucked it, and I think I did a really good job, actually. I didn't over pluck, thank goodness. What is that? What is that? It's just cleaning up that hairline so it's not so sharp around the hairline. I don't know what else to call that. And we did a simple install, middle part, bust down middle part, you guys. Y'all know that is my favorite. That is a classic. 250% density. It is very much giving 250. I slightly picked through her just kind of like this. If I want it bigger, it could definitely get bigger, but I don't want it too big today, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But she is beautiful and really long, you guys. Coming to definitely where a 28-inch would. If I stretch her out, it's definitely longer than that. We are here for this. I haven't reviewed a loose deep texture in a really long time, and I don't know why, because this texture is bomb.com. I've been going hard for my water wave wigs, but this loose deep, wow, so pretty. Like, it's just giving, you guys. There's very little shedding. I would say there's no shedding. This is what she's looking like in the front, you guys. I highly recommend you guys checking them out. It's definitely one of my favorite curly wigs that I've recently received, so I'm here for it. I would definitely recommend this unit to you guys. If you guys want to check out this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below. I gotta run. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so before you go. Bye.